Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Mom joining me to show us how to make fatayer for iftar. She is fasting because it's Ramadan. This is one of my favorite meals and I never got to learn the recipe. So today she's gonna teach all of us and show us how it's done the Lebanese way. I made this little custom recipe book so I can keep all of Mom's recipes. And this is the first one.
Today we're gonna make fatayer. Fatayer, it's like a dough filled with spinach, isn't it?
What she's trying to say is there are these little like dough
Triangle.
There are these little dough pockets that are filled with spinach, onions, and lemon. It's very fresh and citrusy. It's almost like a pastry, but like a savory one. It's so good. So if you're interested in hanging out with me and my mom, then keep watching. We're gonna start by making a traditional drink that my mom makes for Ramadan.
It's called jallab, and it's like a date syrup, and you soak in the pine nuts, and before iftar, you put like cold water with like smushed ice and you enjoy and drink it.
I've never had it, so this will be my first time.
I hope you like it.
Yeah, crack it open.
That's the jallab. And the Lebanon flag is on it.
Yeah. Can you help?
Devin, we need your muscles.
Oh, you did it! Yeah! I didn't realize how thick that is. It smells like Tata.
It's rose
Tata always smelled like rose water.
Add the pine nuts.
We're gonna let this marinate until we're done cooking.
Until we're done cooking.
Now, let's start cooking.
Yep. Start making the ajin, the dough. We need like about 10 cups of flour, a bowl.
Okay.
Don't talk so I don't forget how many. Here we go. Now I'll add the salt.
The salt.
I'll measure by hand.
We said like 2
teaspoons. About 2 teaspoons.
This is why I've never been able to get any of her recipes. She does not tell me exact measurements.
Then I'll put them in the microwave bowl so I can heat them up in the microwave to be warm.
So like, is it 30 seconds?
I would say a minute. You're gonna start heating up the oven, Dina?
Sure. What's the degrees?
425. Now we add it to the flour.
How much water do you need?
With this, I will measure ya habibti.
Now
you have to mix it.
You can't mix it with a spoon?
No, it has to be by hand, ya habibti. You want me to do it or do you want to do it?
No, I can do it.
Dig in. Yeah. That's how I do it. It needs more punching.
I've had a bad month.
Yeah, make it round.
Okay.
Just cover it until we make the spinach filling.
Okay. I just gotta...
You should chop them by hand.
I can chop it by hand if you want, but it's unnecessary.
Now start cutting the spinach.
Okay, ready, Mom? Watch this. Don't cut and watch. It's crazy.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's enough. Don't put him now.
I'm showing the camera. I make your food best.
I know, ya habibti, you do. The rice and peas, it smells like mine.
I know. I am good at cooking, and you still voted Karina better cook.
Who is the better cook? You think Karina's a better cook than me?
No, she doesn't cook good. I find out that she doesn't.
You hear that?
Half here, half here.
I love onions.
Needs more onion here. And I'm gonna put a teaspoon on each one.
That's definitely more than a teaspoon.
Mush it, like see me how I mush it.
How long do I do this for?
Until they're all wet. Yours is very like smushed good.
Thank you. I'm really good at this.
Mine
You want me
is
to help?
still-
Here, let the pro do it.
You did it so good, Lena.
Dang.
Squeeze the water from it.
Oh my god, we're squeezing. Isn't that what we've been doing?
No. See how much they shrink, and they're gonna shrink more. I can add them in one bowl and squeeze. That's a good idea.
Good idea, Mumsy.
Now, because they're all, look at it, it's all watery now. So I have to squeeze, take like a bunch and squeeze and take out all the water and put it in another bowl.
Is there anything else you can add? Like, do people add like meat in their fatayer?
Oh, they add feta cheese. I don't like it with
I
feta
don't
cheese.
like it with feta.
No, the original Lebanese fatayer is the way I'm making it. Now, we have to add salt, water, and olive oil.
After you just squeezed all the water out?
Yeah,
What's the logic behind that?
it's just so it make him dry, but then you add the oil to protect him and not get dry when you put him in the oven.
No,
So
I
it will
meant
be
the water.
flavored with the water.
Why are we adding water if you just squeezed out all the water?
We have to put lemons too.
You're still not answering the question.
Here's all the water that came out from the 3 pounds of spinach. Add the salt.
How much salt?
But not this way, like by hand. Like a 2 teaspoons. You see? Okay,
That's not a teaspoon.
okay. That's not a teaspoon.
I
Add
think so.
another one.
Okay.
Good. We'll add the sumac.
No, this one's an brand. It's the only one available.
Did you go to the Arabic store?
No, Mom. We don't have an Arabic store.
Don't use your tea. We need about 3 teaspoons.
You know what? I'm gonna just bust out a teaspoon. See, I freaking knew it. So anytime she says teaspoon, assume she means half a tablespoon. Don't pack it.
La. We need to make it tasteful, because that's what makes it tasteful.
Flavorful.
Flavorful. Sorry. Add بعد more.
How many?
1 more. Because I'm eyeing it. We add the olive oil. Add a cup.
This is half, so I'll just do 2.
Yeah. And now we need lemon.
I have the lemon concentrate.
But fresh lemon is better because the lemon concentrate make it watery.
Okay. So how much lemon?
I need, this is good, like big lemon. We need, like add 3 and then taste it.
Okay.
And let me know if it tastes good. How are you gonna?
I
do it
don't-
with the fork. I do it with the fork, Lena. Get
I
the fork.
know.
Yeah, I will do it. Here.
Watch the master at work. So you said it's okay if there's seeds in there.
Yeah, I will take them out. Here's 1. I'm gonna do 2 because they're juicy.
Even if you don't like spinach, I promise you'll like this. Like as a kid, I would down at least like 10 of these. They're so good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they are very good. It takes a long time to make,
Yeah.
but at the end, you enjoy eating it. It's very good. It's
is
the Lebanese fatayer.
I don't know if I would do it on my own again.
You don't think so?
I want to like find a lazy way to do it. You know how I like to make the lazy versions that taste like yours? What do you need?
We have to mix.
With our hands?
Yeah.
Well, your hands are already lemony, so maybe you should
Yeah.
do it. I feel like you could use tongs or a silicone spoon. But
I
I like to
like
use her
The
hands.
old-fashioned way. That's the best. It smells good, Mahay.
Do you think we need more samak?
Yeah. I know by the smell. Yeah, we need more some more. Add 2 more. Make it 3. So we used 5, half a tablespoon for 3 pounds of spinach.
2.5 tablespoons of samak.
Yeah. You wanna taste? Just take and taste. Does it need lemon, salt? What does it need?
I think there's enough samak in it. I do like the lemon.
Lemon is good because yours is juicy and big. Ours is very small.
Ooh, that's so good. I would eat it just that.
Yeah, you can eat it as a salad if you want. Now the dough is ready. Ta-da! See? Some people, they roll like a big like sheet of dough and then they cut it with a cup. I don't. I just measure like small bowls and like just roll it. And we need like a teaspoon.
Are you sure we need a teaspoon?
Not like regular. Give me regular one. This one will be good. This one. And you just add flour on the counter. And we roll. And then make it into triangle.
Do you need like parchment paper?
No.
Oil?
Because the dough has oil, I can add some just teeny bit on the bottom of corn oil. And then we put it in the pan.
Can I?
You wanna try?
I wanna try making it the way with the cup.
With the cup? Okay. Hey, try this, Lashu. Try this. That's too much.
Ow.
Yeah, that's good.
Mine's looking ugly.
Make sure it's closed.
I'm going. This is my first time.
I know, ya habit. Squeeze hard because you don't want it. It will open in the oven if you don't close it well.
Okay, this one's mine. My very first fire.
Yeah. You made it big, Lina.
Mom, I am trying.
This one is big.
You don't have to watch me. You mind your business. Do your own thing. Mine looks like something you'd find at the bottom of the ocean. Oh, it looks like the sorting hat from Harry Potter. How did Tata make them this tiny?
Tita, she like him tiny.
Bite size.
Usually in Lebanon, they make him like tiny like this. I don't. It's a lot of work.
I love how that's the part.
Easier.
That's the part you're like, that's too much work. Look at it.
Looks so cute.
It's so cute. Here, you work on these while I make more.
But we know which one you're making. These ones are yours.
Yeah, Mom, I know.
This tray is done. We can put it in the oven.
Yay!
Until you see it,
Here.
like it's all red on the top.
I'll just do an hour for now, so we can at least keep track of the time.
Usually I take a look at it.
I know.
Oh, you have flour on your forehead.
You have flour on your freaking abaya, so what'd you eat for supper
I
today?
ate eggs and grilled halloumi cheese with tea.
Oh, look! This is my first good one.
Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one.
Gorgeous!
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh,
The asr.
I said, who's here? Okay, I'll keep working. Mom's gonna go pray.
What did you do?
I made an assembly line.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, see, I told you there was a more efficient way, but I'm bad at folding, so.
See, yours is open because you didn't close them well.
Oh my God, Mom.
See how it's on the bottom, Nina? They're
Yep.
like crispy. Okay. The spinach is done. Do you have zatar?
Yeah.
We can make zatar, but we can make him small, like round.
Yeah. Okay, I'll help you fold, even though I'm not very good at it. See, isn't it faster if you do it this way?
It's gonna make it soak the dough.
Oh, she's so right.
Even mine then looking now weird. Did you find it hard?
Not hard. It's a lot of time. Like the whole
I
thing.
told you.
It's a lot of effort. A lot of Arab food is a labor of love. And I don't have that kind of time. I am excited to eat these. I've missed these. And I can never find a place that makes them as good as...
They never make him as good as I make him. It's the Lebanese way, that's why.
Yeah, I always see there's like different versions that are sold and I never see the Lebanese one. Now I'll start doing the rest of the dough while you fold.
Amber, you said you want to make fatayer.
Yeah, I'm glad I know how. In case I ever do want to make it again. I used all the dough.
Oh, you have zatar.
Yeah. What kind of Arab would I be if I didn't? You want me to add the smack to the zatar?
If you want, a tablespoon.
I don't trust your measurements anymore.
A tablespoon. Yeah, that's good. You're mixing?
Yeah.
But you're dancing.
I'm doing both. Last one.
Last one.
Wow.
We finished.
Okay, now for the zatar.
With the zatar, you want to keep him flat and eat him like this?
Sure.
That's what I make him in. You like him thicker?
With the zatar, yeah. Because then it goes like pizza.
It's gonna be crispy. Need to.
Yummy.
So this pan is done.
Is this red enough?
Do you think it's red enough?
I don't know.
I think so.
I think so. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, my mom has prayed and it's time for iftar. I'm gonna try her drink. What's it called again?
Jallab.
Jallab. I don't know if I'm gonna like
Bismillah.
this.
You don't like it?
Devin!
You don't like it?
Jallab.
It's not bad.
Delicious. It's sweet.
It tastes
Yeah.
very good.
With the pine nuts?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so good.
Are you ready to eat, Mom? Are you
Yeah.
hungry?
I'm hungry. I'm gonna get the deformed one that
That's the
you
one I
made.
made.
Bismillah. I miss my cooking.
How's my deformed one taste?
It tastes really good. It doesn't matter. It tastes really good.
10 out of 10.
I haven't eaten it for so long.
Same. It's been like 5 years.
Since you last made it at home?
Yeah.
That's it for today's video. Let us know what other Lebanese dishes you want to see us cook next. I have a few that I'm just dying for my mom to make again.
Inshallah, we'll make more. And thank you for watching.
Ramadan Mubarak!
Ramadan Mubarak, Ya Rab.